Yan, second version of bake portobello mushroom. This time we make only 4 pieces. Look, okay. Yan, so each cook now. Yeah, so cheesy. Look at that, look at that. With beef steak and dipping sauce. With garlic and Dijon dipping sauce.